In this chapter, we will learn about composite and mixed supply. So the main objectives in this chapter are, we need to learn about section 8, that is tax liability on composite and mixed supply. In the earlier chapter, we had studied plain supply, composite and mixed supply. We glanced through it. So in this chapter, we will differentiate between composite and mixed supply. As well as we will learn about section 2 subsection 30, definition of composite supply. Then section 2 subsection 74, that is definition of mixed supply, and characteristics and examples for this also. So tax liability on composite and mixed supply. So what are the specialties? This supply will involve goods or services, or a combination of goods or combination of services, or combination of both. That means goods plus services. These are called composite or mixed supply. Okay, it will include goods plus goods, or services plus goods, or goods services plus services, like that. Okay, then the law provides that such supply should be classified as only goods or only services. In GST scenario, we should consider it either as goods or either as services. So composite और mixed supply क्या होता है कि इसमें goods और services का combination होता है. Okay, और ऐसा करना है कि इसको अगर goods मानना है या services मानना है. Okay. So composite supply. What is composite supply? We will learn the definition. Supply made by a taxable person to a recipient, consisting of two or more taxable supplies of goods or services, or both, or any combination of thereof, which are naturally bundled. It is very important. Naturally bundled and supplied in conjunction with each other in the ordinary course of business, one of which is a principal supply. So there are some specialties. Okay, and the rate will be applicable to the principal supply should be considered. Okay, so let us take one example. See, goods are packed and transported with insurance. So there are goods also involved and there are services also included. See, goods. Then packing charges, that is a service. Insurance charges, it is a service. Transportation charges, it is also a service. So goods plus services, it is a composite supply. Okay, एक composite supply होता है. Goods के साथ packing charge होता है, insurance charge होता है, transportation charge होता है. And see, which is the principal supply? Principal supply क्या होता है? इसमें goods होता है. बाकी सब packing, insurance, transportation वगैरह प्रिंसिपल सप्लाई नहीं होता है, सब सप्लाई होता है. प्रिंसिपल सप्लाई गुड्स होता है. ओके, सो द matters such as time supply, invoicing, place of supply, value of supply, all this rate of tax, everything will be considered based on the principal supply. अगर आपको रेट ढूंढना है तो गुड्स का क्या रेट है वो लेना है. ओके, और here the rate of goods will apply to packing materials, transport and insurance also. Okay. So see, what are the conditions to be checked? See, the conditions should be that the taxable person should be there. He should provide two or more taxable supplies, and it is naturally bundled. See, in the earlier example, naturally bundled goods has to be packed, insurance can be taken, so it is naturally bundled. Okay, that is composite supply, and supplied in conjunction with each other. Okay, and one of the supplies principal supply. Okay, so this condition should be satisfied. Then coming to mixed supply. What is mixed supply? It is not composite supply. Okay, two or more individual supplies of goods or services or any combination thereof made in conjunction with each other by a taxable person for a single price, where supply does not constitute a composite supply. Composite supply नहीं होता है, लेकिन दो या उसके ऊपर का सामान एक साथ एक पैकेट में बेचता है एक सिंगल प्राइस में. Okay, and the rate of tax, you should take the highest rate of tax, not the rate of principal supply. Okay, It is the highest rate of tax. See, in this example, we are providing canned foods, sweets, chocolates, cakes, dry fruits, aerated drinks and fruit juices in a single packet. Okay? And which is having the highest rate? किसका rate ज़्यादा है? ये होता है aerated drinks का 28% होता है. तो ये सब सामान में 28% लागू होगा. 28% will be applicable for all goods. Okay? So the highest rate of tax goods will be taken. Then mixed supply characteristics होता है कि 2 or more individual supplies होता है, taxable person supply करता है, single price होता है. ऐसे एक अगर आप दुकान में जा रहे हैं तो पेस्ट के साथ ब्रश भी मिल जाएगा. ये naturally bundled नहीं होता है. Okay, it is not naturally bundled paste plus brush, but it is mixed supply. Okay, and which is having the highest rate? If it is toothpaste, that rate will be applicable also on the toothpaste as well as toothbrush also. So this is the difference between composite and mixed supply. Composite supply means it is naturally bundled and the rate for the principal supply will be applied. Mixed supply means it is not naturally bundled and the rate will be the highest rate item will be applicable on all other items. Hope the points are clear to you. Thank you.